So to make this program really interactive with the user, we can do one thing. We can add some statement as well. Okay, like what's your username, or enter your full name. Okay, because we are going to take input from users, right? So it's like this. Okay, and when user will give the username, so we need to store as well, right? So what's the meaning of this line? Basically, we declared one string variable can hold text, and text will be our name. Okay, and we are using this sc dot next line. The user can give the name. Okay, I mean basically we are taking the name from the user, and our next print statement can be like enter your age. And age we can store in int variable, right? C dot, you remember we have the function next int, take the input from user. Next we can ask user to give his height, and we can store in float as well. It's like 172 point byte something. Okay, sorry, we need to take from the user, right? So we need to use the c dot next float. Next can ask for weight in kg. That can also be stored in float as well. For now, let's store in double, so we can see the pattern of all data types. Sorry, next double. Now we can ask blood group. And that we can store in char. Sorry. C dot next dot at g. Oh. In this way, we can ask user to give the character. Okay, and now we can ask user whether he is a student or not, he or she. And now let's ask about this date of birth. Okay, and you can ask them for year as well. I know it's taking time, but once it completes, yeah, it looks too good. That's why I'm just writing this stuff in front of you. Okay, so just wait. And that we can store in short because we are going to use every data type. We can see which function or feature of this scanner basically used to take that input from the user. Okay, so this should be here. C dot next. Okay, I think we have plenty of information. Now we can do one thing. Once we got all the information, just print one more line. System dot out print ln. It means whatever we are printing, the next thing will be print in the next line. That's why normally we use this. Personal information summary. Every time we need to use ln if we print every statement in new line. Okay, that's why I'm just adding this. And if you don't want to print in the next line, then you can use just print. Okay, if you got all the information, now we can do one thing. System dot name age. We can print the age as well, and then we can print height. Okay, print its blood group. Print and month. And I think we should add one more line, that is phone number, right? So just add one. So execute this program and then we will go through with the whole program. Okay. We have one Alex. Okay, sorry, this should be a month, but we have used wrong variable name. Let's go. Yeah, enter your full name. You can see here. So my full name is Aman Shah. So I entered this. Enter your age. My age 25. I think it's looking good, right? 173 centimeter, and my weight is 65, and my blood group is A. And yes, birth month is 1. My year is 2000. My phone number is 935463847. So now you can see the information. I think now it looks good, right? So in this way, basically we can do, we can ask basically user to give the inputs. Okay. So if you can see in the code one by one, let's go. So in the first line, first I printed enter your full name. Okay. And after that, basically I was asking user to give the name. So I used sc dot next line. Okay. जैसे ही मैंने ये यूज किया तो मेरे को जो भी उसने यूजर ने मेरे को जो नेम दिया मैंने वो इसमें स्टोर करा लिया नेम वेरिएबल में. ओके. जो स्ट्रिंग डेटा टाइप का जो टेक्स्ट स्टोर कर सकता है बेसिकली. ओके. मैंने नेम में स्टोर करा लिया. फिर अगर एक चीज नोटिस करो ना तो प्रोग्राम हमेशा कैसे रन करता है टॉप टू बॉटम. पहले ये लाइन प्रिंट हुआ राइट. फिर इस प्रोग्राम ने क्या मांगा. इस प्रोग्राम ने यूजर से मांगा नेम. ओके. तो यूजर ने नेम दिया और उसको हमने वेरिएबल में स्टोर कर लिया. उसके बाद हम लोगों ने क्या किया. जब ये प्रोग्राम का लाइन फिनिश हो गया हम नेक्स्ट लाइन पे आए. हमने एंटर योर एज करके प्रिंट किया. उसके बाद फिर से यूजर से आपने हमें देखा हो तो ये हमने अगर यूज किया एस डॉट समथिंग इसका मतलब हम यूजर से कुछ मांग रहे हैं. यूजर ने जैसे ही हमने कुछ दिया इसका मतलब हमने जैसे एज मांगा है तो इट गेव अस एज. ओके. तो हमने उसे एज वेरिएबल में स्टोर कराया और फिर से नेक्स्ट लाइन में गए. तो यू कैन सी द फ्लो. बेसिकली अवर प्रोग्राम इज रनिंग फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. पहले ये प्रिंट हुआ फिर यूजर ने दिया. फिर ये प्रिंट हुआ फिर यूजर ने दिया. फिर ये प्रिंट हुआ फिर यूजर ने दिया. हाइट देन वेट देन ब्लड ग्रुप देन स्टूडेंट है या नहीं है. ओके. देन मंथ देन ईयर देन फोन नंबर. ओके. आफ्टर दैट आई प्रिंटेड दिस पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन समरी. ओके. उसके बाद अगर आप देखें तो मैंने पूरा क्या किया. बहुत सारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लाइंस में उसका नेम क्या है हमारी नेम वेरिएबल में राइट. जो हमने यूजर से लिया था उसे स्टोर कराया उसमें. तो मैंने आपको ये चीज़ पहले ही बता दी है कि अगर आपको एक लाइन में प्रिंट कराना है तब क्या कर सकते हो. वट एवर यू आर गिविंग इन दिस डबल कोट it will print as it is name this whatever value this variable is holding the same value will be printed in the whole this parenthesis. okay. तो अगर आप रिजल्ट में भी देखें तो कैसे है एंटर योर फुल नेम. ओके. सॉरी इसके अंदर ये जो पर्सन समरी है नेम अमन शाह. ओके. क्योंकि जो वेरिएबल है जो वैल्यू होल्ड कर रहा है मैंने उसको ऐड कर दिया किसके साथ इस डबल कोट के साथ. ओके. In the same way we are doing this thing and I already told like this ln is used to print your statement in the next line. Okay. If you won't use this ln it means you want this compiler to print this statement as well as the next line statement in the same line. Okay. So this is all about this program. Okay. So now we have left only with one topic that is related to BMI calculator. So let's quickly cover this topic as well. So if you are not aware about the BMI, so let me tell you about this first. BMI means body mass index. It means basically it is the ratio of your body with the mass. Okay. And by using this, we can tell anyone like whether its body in a correct shape or whether its body is having the right weight according to the height or not. Okay. So basically to calculate the BMI, we need two parameters. First one is weight and second is height. So let's quickly ask user to give to these parameters. Okay. Enter your height in meters. Let's go in double because height be in precision with also equal to c dot next double, and second parameter is weight. So let's ask the weight also from the user. Weight in kg. This should be weight. And if you are not aware about the formula, so let me tell you the formula as well. Formula is weight divided by height square. So height into height you can give here. Okay, and let's print this. So my height is 5.8 meters. My weight is 65. So you can see the BMI. Okay. So I think we have covered all the topics, whatever we told at the start of the video. So in the next video, we will cover some more topics.